Today we will be installing a low-profile hard trifold tonneau cover on a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Z71 with a 5.5 foot bed. This cover will install pretty similar on various makes and models, so be sure to check out the fitment and instructions for your particular model. Protect your bed from weather and would-be thieves with Rough Country's sleek, low-profile, hard trifold tonneau covers. These durable, aircraft-grade aluminum bed covers feature a flush, low-profile design that gives your truck a clean, sleek look while protecting the contents of your bed. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, for GM 6.5-inch beds only, stick the rubber spacers between the plastic bed rail cap and the bed rail, adjacent to the front and center clamps. Identify this location of the spacers by holding the mounting rail up to the bed rail of the truck and marking the location of the clamps on the truck. Attach both the left and right side rails to the truck bed. The end of the mounting rail with the drain tube fitting will go toward the cab of the truck, positioned flush to the bulkhead. Starting with the center clamp, install the rail but do not tighten completely. Install the other small clamp towards the front of the rail. Install the larger clamp at the back of the rail. Place the back portion of the clamp into the stake pocket. Set the tonneau cover onto the mounting rails. The buckles should be toward the cab of the vehicle. Assemble the 4 retainer clips. Slide each of them onto the track on the underside of the tonneau. Slide into position, but do not tighten at this time. Carefully unfold the cover. Position the cover so that it is centered side to side and front to back on the truck bed. Test the rear latching assembly for smooth operation, as this is the best indicator of the cover being positioned correctly. Once the cover is located correctly, fold the cover to the open position. Pull the release cables on the rear of the panel to release it from the side rail. Take care to fold gently so the position of the cover is not disturbed. Once in the open position, double check the clamp engagement to the side rail and tighten. Test the cover again for proper operation. Adjust as needed, then tighten. Attach drain tubes to the fittings at the front of the bed rail and position the tubes to divert water out of the truck bed. This can be done by placing the tube behind the bed liner or through an existing hole in the bed, or by drilling a 5/8 hole in the bulkhead. As you can see, these easy to install flush bed covers feature a secure mounting system that ensures a proper fit each and every time and can be assembled in no time flat.